This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Denton. Welcome to this beautiful end-unit townhouse, offering the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. With an open floor plan, this bright and airy home boasts living/dining room, 3 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a fully fenced backyard with a private patio, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. The attached one-car garage adds ease and security, while the 3-year-old roof and brand-new disposal bring peace of mind. Located in Virginia Beach, this home offers low-maintenance living with no condo or HOA fees. November 7, 2024. For more information, review the details below.